All right, ladies and gentlemen, better late than never. This is our Sunday edition of the PulseWave Report, and I just got bogged down and could not do it Sunday night. So we're doing it right now, Monday morning. This is a weird one. Never really done it like this before, but you got to do what you got to do. And since this is a quiet morning so far, it's nothing wrong with doing it, right? All right, so let's take a look at what's going on so far in these markets. We're going to look at how the markets ended, and then we'll take it from there, and just make it do what it do. We're just doing something different. All right. So this is what we're going to do. Let me share my screen. All right. So there's this, and then we're just going to let this thing rock out. All right. So first things first, this here is, and we're looking at weekly charts. So this is your Bitcoin. This is how you end it, for the week. And as you can see here, the market is in a bull market, and we got green on the screen. So I'm expecting the market to continue to want to move higher. And this is on the weekly charts, not daily. It's just looking at how the week ended. So it ended on a bullish note and also near the weekly highs to boot. Taking a look at Ethereum. All right. And you see here that on the weekly, the Ethereum did the same as the Bitcoin did and put in a new weekly high. So you expect more follow through to continue in the Ethereum as well. Moving right along to ADA Cardano, and ADR Cardano, same thing. You would expect for this market to continue to run because it ended on a bullish note. So we still got some more upside potential to go on that one. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, same thing. You expect for this market to continue to move higher as well, even though the market is down slightly so far this morning. Still, you got green on the screen, so any kind of pullback I would expect to be defended and for the bulls to bid the market back up. Gold, same thing. Ended on a positive note last week in the green. Still has more upside potential to run. Next, we got the Russell My Hustle. Also ended at the highs of the week with a new weekly high. I expect more green on the screen to continue here as well, believe it or not. Looking at the Russell and the real estate section, both of those basically ended at the highs of the week and hitting new weekly highs as well with good bullish momentum behind them. Next up is a Litecoin. Litecoin finished also in the green with a new weekly high. So I expect to see the continuation of the upside despite any intraday pullbacks on Monday. Here is the long oil. We got a rally alert on the weekly chart for this one. So I would expect oil to also want to continue to rally. Now it is down this morning in the futures, but again, that doesn't mean that the market's not putting in some type of support to rally from. So we'll see what happens. Again, these are just showing you how the markets ended the week and what the position is in the market. Here is the Nasdaq 100. Now, I did get triggered into a long position in the Nasdaq futures this morning. And again, this one ended at the highs of the week and put in a new weekly high as well. Next up, we have SLV, which is the silver. And you can see here it did well as also with the rally alert for today. And again, markets are just down slightly, just off slightly so far this morning. Here is Theta. Theta ended, unfortunately, with a crash alert for the Theta for the week. So we'll probably start the week off in the red for Theta. Looking at bonds, ticker TLT, finished the week green. However, it did pull back some from the prior week's new weekly high, but still green on the screen nonetheless. So I expect this to continue. The interesting thing here, though, is that you notice that the market crossed from a bullish to a bearish position at this point. Will it stay here or will it get back into bullish territory is the question. But as long as these bond prices continue to move higher, the yields are going to move inversely. So this would give some much added relief to interest rates. Interest rates can't continue to rise. I'm sorry, can't continue to rise when the bond prices are rising. So they're going to continue to have pressure to the downside. Looking at natural gas ended the week strong, and we have a primary rally alert there. So I expect this to be a bullish week to continue for nat gas. The US dollar right now is up, and we had a crash alert coming into it today. I expect the market to want to move down some more. I think any rally is going to get knocked right back down. So we'll have to see. But right now, it's kind of what it's looking at, and this is the weekly. And I'm looking at the daily, just looking at how the dollar ended the week, and it ended on a very soft, weak side. So I would expect more downside potential there. Last but not least is Xrp Ripple. Xrp Ripple has crossed from the bullish to a bearish perspective, although momentum is flat, and we did have a crash alert coming into today. So that's how the markets ended the week. So we were expecting, based for the most part, continuation patterns in all of these, despite whatever little pullbacks you see today in these markets. That's what I'm expecting right now. All right, so what do we do from here? Some things I want to talk to you guys about, and let's do this. Since we're already live and we're here, well, I'll tell you what. Let me turn this off. Let's keep things smooth, and I'm gonna come back with another live, so we can go over the what's going on in the markets and the economy. So give me like a couple of minutes, give me like 2-3 minutes, and we'll shut this stream down and start the new one. You definitely want to stay tuned. So give me a couple minutes, and I will be back with another live stream. Peace out.